Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie Monique back again, and today I'm just preparing for me to do some knotless braids on my hair. So yeah, my hair is washed and I'm just going to go through and re-wet it, and then part basically front, and then the back will be out. And then I'm going to just go through and do all my parts ahead of time and put the twist in until tomorrow when I take them out and put the box braids in. So that's just what I'm going to do now. I'm going to start parting and wet my hair and make those sections really quick. I have my little side part going because that's the way I want my braids to flow. And so now I'm going to just go in and spray and start getting my parts ready. I will see you guys then. Alright, so it is the next day and it is about 1:52, so we'll see how long this process takes. But like I said yesterday, I went through and kind of parted it out already and put some twist in. I can't find my edge control because somebody claims they didn't touch it, but I put it in one spot and now it's in another. Who knows where it's at now. So I'm going to just be using this little softy gel again. And then I'm going to be using this Blue Magic, the hair food with vitamin E, in order to moisturize my hair and the synthetic hair. And I also have an oil that I'm going to probably go through at the end to oil my scalp. But other than that, since I have the parts in already, it shouldn't be that difficult, honestly. I already laid out the hair, which you can kind of see back here. I just took 2 packs so far, opened them up, sectioned them into things already so I can just pick them up, and then hopefully that'll make that process easier. And so I'm really just going to get started. So I'm getting my piece of hair ready already. This is about the size that I'm doing, and I'm going to do the gel and about the grease on it. And I'm just going to lay that on my lap. I'm actually going to get 2 pieces ready for each section, so getting another one. I'm starting with my hair. I'm going to add gel to try to smooth it, mostly to the top because I still want to be able to grip my hair, and I already greased it yesterday. And so I'm going to split it into 3 sections, like 3 little sections. And then I'm going to start braiding like regularly, as tight as possible. Now that my root is kind of tight and I've braided a little bit, I'm going to bring the first strand of hair, add it to basically 2 of the sections. And then after I braid a couple times, I'm going to take the next piece of hair and add it into 2 sections again. You want to make sure you get the one section that you didn't get last time and then add it to another section. I kind of like to run my finger down the hair every couple of twists just so that it can stay untangled. And so getting closer to the bottom, I'm trying to make sure I keep the tension by like extending the braid outward from me. And I'm going to try to braid as close to the bottom as possible, just because I know these are going to unravel a little bit during this process. And so that is the first one done. I'm just going to take some gel and slide it across the braid. So now that you've seen basically how to do it, I'm going to repeat that same process throughout the back. And I'll probably come back and show another up close clip towards the front of my head. So I'll see you guys once the back is done. Alright, so I finally finished the back of my head, and let me show you guys what that is looking like. So now all I have is this front side section over here and this front side section right there. And then I will be done. So I will see you guys then. Currently it is 6:12, so it's been a couple hours. It took a while, but yeah. So I have made it a little further up the front now. Only have these 2 twists left to do on this side. And taking out the twist, combing it through, and taking the gel and applying it to my roots. Then splitting it into the regular 3 braid sections and starting to braid that. And after I've done a couple, I take the first piece of hair and add it to 2 of the braiding sections. I take a little gel just to make sure this is staying smooth. Add it on the hair. Wait till the section that doesn't have any hair added yet comes to the front, and then I take that next section and add it in. And then I just keep braiding it the rest of the way down. Guys, it is now 8:41. It is officially dark outside. 7 braids left. I just asked my sister to put up some water for me. I'm dying. Hands are cramping. I didn't eat. But we are going to finish this tonight. So that noise y'all hear is my dog's tail. Can I say hi? No? But yeah, so. Alright, one more section left. Alright everyone, it is official. I made it to my last braid, and I already had my sister turn the wall on. So I'm gonna go right downstairs after this one and dip it and wrap it and be done for the night. It is currently 9:26, meaning it took way too long to do this. Alright, so my camera died, and before my phone dies, because it's on like 2%, so we'll see how far it goes. This is the final result of the hair. So that is what the hair is looking like. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I couldn't really lay my edges because, like I said, somebody snatched it. I don't know where it's at. Nobody wants to speak up. But yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. At least got a little bit of a tutorial from it. I'm finally gonna go eat something because it's like 10 o'clock at night, and this took forever. And you know, it's not the best, but I'm practicing, so it's as good as it's gonna be. So make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Also comment below if there's something that you want to see other than hair and different things, and I will look at that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Also, I was putting my scarf on, I remember. I don't think I ever showed the hair that I used. I used this silky jumbo braid in the number, this is 2. And I only used that because none of the hair stores was really open. I got tired of driving around just for them to be closed. So there are better brands you can order online. But I just gave up and went to the Poppy store and picked up all the packs of hair that I could. So that is the hair I use. I know there are different ones that people like to use. I just wanted to let y'all know. Okay, bye.